All right, so let's take a look at question number 6 from homework 3.1. This one's a little bit different. So this is find the mean of the data summarized in the given frequency distribution. Compare the computed mean to the actual mean of 51.5 degrees. So we have low temperature in categories from 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59, and 60 to 64. So clearly we can't take the mean of an entire category. So here's what we do. I'm going to export this data out into StatCrunch. All right, and see it's already categorized low temp. If you wanted to pull this over, you just grab this double arrow so that you can see the entire column heading. That's not necessary, but you might like that. All right, so what am I going to do here? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a single value to represent the category. And that single value is just going to be the middle, the median of that category. So 40 to 44, the median point would be 42, right? So I'm just going to create a new category called midpoint, right? And then I'm going to put the value 42 in here. 45 to 49 is 47. The middle of 50 to 54 is 52. The middle of 55 to 59 is 57. And the middle of 60 to 64 is 62. All right, so now I can actually take a median here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go to Stat Calculators, and I'm going to go to Custom, right? And the Custom Calculator, we have the values will be in the midpoint column, and the weights will be in the frequency column. And I'm going to hit Compute. And that will give us the mean, the standard deviation. Let's not worry about this probability section down here just yet. This will come into play later on in the semester. So I've got a mean of 51.82. Let's go back to the problem. Rounded to the nearest tenth would be 51.8. All right, so let's check our answer. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the computed mean and the actual mean? I'd say they're pretty close. 51.5 and 51.8 are pretty close. So they're asking for the difference between the means is less than 5% of the actual mean. All right, so the way that we would calculate that is we would want to figure out what percentage of 51.5 is the difference of 0.3. So I'm going to grab my calculator and I'm going to multiply 0.3 times, hold on, we'll do it this way. We'll go 51.5 times 0.05, right? Multiplying 51.5 by 0.05 will tell us what 5% of 51.5 is. 5% of 51.5 comes out to 2.575. So 0.5 is definitely lower than 2.575. So the computed mean is close to the actual mean because the difference between the means is less than 5%. That should be the answer. All right, that concludes this presentation.